Hello and welcome to a wonderful quiz show that we are starting and kick-starting actually from this wonderful day, auspicious day of India's Independence Day, which is the 15th of August. And well, what a better day to start a quiz show for the children from India, children of India. This is the WizKids quiz show with me, Santosh Sirur. And on this quiz show, we have some wonderful, amazing, smart, brilliant kids, and well, I'll be introducing them to you, and then I will talk about the rounds that we have on this quiz show. On Team Swaraj, I have Manish Beralu. Hi Manish.
Yes, sir. Hi.
And well, his team partner is Prerna Shinde. Hi Prerna. So Manish and Prerna are from Team Swaraj, and I would request all of you to now unmute your mic so that you can be heard. Okay. And on Team B, which is Swadesh, I have Akhtar Ali Shah. Hi Akhtar.
Hi, sir.
And his teammate is Bhumi Solanki. So we are about to kind of start our quiz show, and we'll be going shortly into round one. And on the first round we have, which is the general knowledge round. On the first round, which is the general knowledge round, my question goes to Team Swaraj first. You have 3 questions, Team Swaraj. I have multiple options. You can select from here, and then we move on to Team Swadesh. So first, for Prerna and Manish, here are your questions. The longest flowing river in India is it Yamuna, Ganges, Saraswati or Koyna? Longest flowing river. Yamuna, Ganges, Saraswati or Koyna? Fast.
Yamuna.
No. Okay, we move on to the next question. Longest beach in India. Longest beach in India is, well, the options are Juhu Chowpatty, Marina Beach, Ullal in Mangalore, or Vizag. Juhu Beach, Marina Beach which is in Chennai, Ullal Beach, Mangalore, or in Vizag Beach. Which is the longest beach in India? Manish and Prerna, do you have the answer?
Juhu Beach.
No. The third question for you. Smallest state of India, population wise. Smallest state of India is Assam, Mizoram, Sikkim or Goa? Assam, Mizoram, Sikkim or Goa?
Goa.
No, you didn't get any score. No problem. We move on to the next team, which is Swadesh, which is for Bhumi and Akhtar. Here are your questions. Highest mountain peak in India. Highest mountain peak in India. Is it Kanchenjunga, Kamet, Nanda Devi or Anamundi? Well, we move on to the next team, which is Swadesh team. Here are your 3 questions. The highest mountain peak in India, Kanchenjunga, Kamet, Nanda Devi or Anamundi? Options are perfect, very good. So Kanchenjunga is very good, you're right. We move on to our next question. Highest civilian award in India. Highest civilian award in India is Padma Bhushan, Padma Vibhushan, Bharat Ratna or Ashoka Chakra. Which one is the highest civilian? Fantastic, very good. Bharat Ratna is the right answer. We move on to the next question, which is the state which has the highest literacy rate in India. Which is the state having the highest literacy rate in India? Bihar, Jammu and Kashmir, Kerala or Puducherry?
Kerala.
Kerala, fantastic. So Swadesh, you got all your 3 questions answered right. Let's give a big hand for Team Swadesh. That's very good. Okay. Now we are done with our first round. At the end of the first round, let me tell you our scores, which is on the GK round. Team Swadesh, which is of Akhtar and Bhumi, you scored 30 points. Team Swaraj, Prerna and Manish, you have yet to score a point, but don't worry, we have a lot more rounds to go. You can always catch up with the the questions and the points later as we go through the quiz. Now we move on to our second round, which is we call it spellbound or dictation. Very simple. I will be giving you some English words. You have to spell the words. Okay? You have to spell the words. So let's start off with Swaraj, which is Prerna and Manish. Okay? Are you guys ready, Manish and Prerna? Let's start off.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Your first word is space. Space.
S-P-E-A-C.
No. Next word.
P-A-C.
Okay, I'll give that to you. S-P-A-C-E. Okay. Second word, possible.
P-O-S-S-I-B-L-E. Possible.
Fantastic. Next word, constant. Constant.
C-O-N-S-A-N-T.
No, can you respell it? C-O-N-S.
T-A-N-T.
Very good. Very good, Prerna. You're done. Next one, standard.
S-T-A-N-D-A-R-D. Standard.
Very good. Okay, you are done with your 4 words. We move on to the next team, which is for Swadesh, Akhtar and Bhumi. Are you ready? Your word.
Yes, sir.
Station. The word is station.
S-T-A-T-I-O-N.
Very good. Second word is different.
D-I-F-F-E-R-E-N-T.
Very good. Next word is highway.
H-I-G-S-W-A-Y.
And the last word is question.
Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N.
Fantastic. Very good, Bhumi and Akhtar. You have answered it all right. So at the end of the second round, we have both the teams actually scoring, for this round equal, which is 40. But at the same time, we have team Swadesh, which is of Akhtar and Bhumi. You are leading at 70. And Manish and Prerna, you guys are on 40. Well, before we wind up, we have Ms. Priya Dutt, who is a trustee from the Nargis Dutt Foundation, whom we spoke to earlier about this knowledge level quiz that we are having for the children and our inaugural episode. This is what she had to say. Hi, Priya, and welcome to the WizKids Quiz Show.
Hi, so nice to be here today. Thanks, Azim.
Yeah, Priya, Nargis Dutt Foundation. Can you share a little bit more about it, the activities and the association of so many people to it?
Yeah, it's nearly a 40-year-old organization now, and it had started and founded by my father, and we had actually set up the foundation initially in the USA. This was right after my mother passed away from cancer, and there was so many. The Indian community there has supported us so much during that entire 1 year of her illness, and everyone felt that something should be done where cancer is concerned for India, because at that time there was nothing available in India where cancer treatment was concerned, diagnosis was concerned. And that's how the foundation started, with the focus on cancer and equipping rural hospitals with cancer care and diagnostic equipment. And I think what became very close to my heart was education, because this happened when I lost my elections in 2014, and I felt this will give me an opportunity to really grow just beyond the restricted area I was working in. And we decided, let's take on a project somewhere out of our comfort zones. And we went to a little hamlet, a little village about 150 kilometers out of Mumbai. And they had approached us saying, we want bicycles for children to go to school.
Okay.
So I said, okay, let's see, but I want to go see it myself and, understand, because, we living in the cities get so cut off from what is happening in the rural areas, in the outskirts, which is so close to Mumbai and yet so far.
Agreed.
And when we went there, we realized that how backward this whole place was. It was a
Mhm.
tribal hamlet, and there was no electricity there. The roads were not great. People were living in those little, thatched
Yeah.
homes. Basic food of just fish and rice that was available to them. Everything was too far away, So then they had a small little school up to the sixth standard at that time, but they had only 3 classrooms.
Okay.
So at every given time, there were a bunch of kids sitting outside.
Oh wow.
And the whole idea was, so there was no learning happening, There was, kids used to come for midday meals and go back home, or just come. There was no playground. There was nothing that was
Mhm.
really, exciting about anything.
True.
And the kids who wanted to go for higher education beyond 8th, 9th, for 8th and 9th, had to go about 5 kilometers away
Mm-hmm.
for the next school which was available.
Yeah.
And either they had to walk, or that was the only way to go. There was no transport or anything, and that's the reason they asked for a bicycle.
Okay.
And that's the time we realized that let's adopt this village, let's adopt the school and transform it.
So, the Whiz Kids quiz show, as you know, we're going to have lots of kids coming on in the episodes. And it's all about, knowledge, entertainment, or infotainment, I would say. So is there a message from your side, from your foundation, for the kids who are participating in our episode today?
Yes, of course. I think it's going to be very exciting for them. And it's not about a competition. They have to just come and have a good time, have a lot of fun. And it's an amazing platform that they have today.
Yeah.
Which not many would even think and dream of having this kind of a platform. And I would like to thank you, Santosh, for giving them that. And I think it'll be a great experience for them. So I wish them all the best.
Sure. Thanks, Priya, for joining on the Whiz Kids quiz show. I'm sure it's a great journey ahead. We're commencing with the Nargis Dutt Foundation with the first episode. I'm sure a lot more episodes to come. So thank you so much once again for joining on the Whiz Kids quiz show. And now we move on to the video clips round, where I'll be sharing a video clip, and then based on that video clip, there will be a question. So for Team Swaraj, Manish and Prerna, here's the question.
दुनिया में हम आए हैं तो जीना ही पड़ेगा, जीवन है अगर.
So the question for you is, identify the movie. Is it Milan? Is it Mother India? Is it Yade or Shri 420?
Mother India.
Very good. Manish and Prerna, you guys answered it right. You get 10 points straight. We now move to the next question, and this is a question for Bhumi and Team Swadesh Akhtar. Listen to this piece and watch this clip.
At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
For Bhumi and Akhtar, Jawaharlal Nehru, addressing the people of India, and he says India will awake to life and freedom. The question for you is, on which day and for which occasion was this speech done by our ex-Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru? On one, is it on the Republic Day? Is it on the Pre-Independence Day? Or is it on the Gandhi Jayanti Day? Do you know?
Republic Day.
No, not Republic Day. Any guesses, Manish and Prerna?
Independence Day.
Yes, it's good. Your answer is right, but of course you won't get any points. Let's now move on to the next question. And this question will be for Manish and Prerna Shinde. You are looking actually at one of the sitar recitals. You have to identify who is the sitar maestro you are seeing on the screen. Identify him. I'm giving you options. Is he Pandit Jasraj, Zakir Hussain, Ustad Bismillah Khan, or Pandit Ravi Shankar?
Pandit Ravi Shankar.
Very good, Manish. You're right. Absolutely right. You get straight 10 points. And let's see this video clip. Okay, so the question is for, Akhtar and Bhumi. What you're seeing here basically is a dance form, an Indian dance form. You have to identify this dance. Is it Manipuri, Bihu, or Bharatnatyam? Manipuri, Bihu, or Bharatnatyam? No, it's not Bharatnatyam. It is Bihu. Okay, with that we come to the end of the video round, and almost down to the end of the quiz. And with that we come to the end of the WizKids Quiz Show inaugural episode number 1. Hope Manish, Akhtar, Bhumi, and of course Prerna, all of you enjoyed this quiz. A big round of applause for all of you.
Yes, sir.
And of course, in terms of winners, it's Swadesh, Team Swadesh, which is Akhtar and Bhumi. You guys have won with 70, and Team Swaraj, which is Prerna and Manish, you are not bad. You guys are at 60. So this quiz is all about enjoyment, entertainment, and having fun. So in a way, all of you have won the quiz. Hope you enjoyed it. And of course, a big round of thanks to Mr. Shekhar, to Andrea, and also of course to Sargam, who have been instrumental in making this quiz a wonderful success. Episode 1. From me, Santosh Sirur, and the rest of the team, bye and take care.